My man, your 2 minutes starts when you make your first monster truck move.
And the only unicorn truck there is in Monster Jam who he can fuck with the competition. See what he can do. He's coming out Thunder Alley. Looking around, surveying what move he can do for his first hit. Going around, still surveying. See what he can do. High enough for some huge air up to the mid ramp, I'm thinking, I think. Yep, he is. Going some huge air up the middle ramp. He would turn around. Probably was going to back up there. Going to some donuts up the tip. Maybe not. See what he can go with some crush buses. Think, oh, nice bicycle. Hit the back flip ramp. See what he can do next. Going the back flip ramp. Some huge air. Oh, can he land it? Rocking the cradle. Can he cover the truck? I bet Haley Trigger will be nervous for that run. Going some huge out the mid ramp. You can turn it into a bicycle. Oh, hitting the barrier. I bet those fans will be lucky if they don't get hit. Going to spin around. Say hi to dragster. Some huge air off the ramp. Oh, getting close to the fan. Those fans will be lucky. Picking up a lot of medics, checking them out. That's okay. Going some huge air off the mid ramp. Oh, almost into a front flip. Can he rock the cradle on the truck? Come on. Yeah, he does it. That button has magical powers like his truck does. Going over some huge air off the ramp. Turning around. Going in over the back flip. Huge air off the close to back flip ramp. Nice Sky Willie. When the bicycle flashing into another truck. Around the back flip ramp. Nice bicycle. Oh, nice bicycle. The 2-wheel skills.
All right, we got time for one last trick from King Silver.
Going around and trying to clear the buses.
Let's go!
Sorry about zombie fire killing the fans. Just focus on Spark Smash. Almost clearing the bus stack. Oh, just slide on the ice skate.
Great run from King Silver. Great commentary from Zach Attack. Give that a 9.17.